This is the video guide about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Albunist.xyz. This site, Albunist.xyz, is indeed a dangerous site. It actually targets Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you ever see these pop-ups by Albunist.xyz, be extremely careful and don't trust these fake and deceptive alerts. Pop-ups by Albunist.xyz could be the consequence of some adware on your system. So simply leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your system. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.